Let's solve this together. It says 3 raised to power x dot 3 raised to power x dot 3 raised to power x equal to 72. And we're going to solve for the value of x in this question, okay? Now, first things first, we can say that when we have a raised to power m multiplied by a raised to power n, it's equal to a raised to power m plus n, okay? Doing the same thing here, we're going to have 3 raised to power x plus x plus x to be equal to 72. Okay? Now x plus x plus x is 3x, so we have 3 raised to power 3x to be equal to 3 squared times 2 raised to power 3. Okay? This is 72. Now, moving on from here, we can say let's say the logarithm of both sides. So we have the logarithm of 3 raised to power 3x is equal to the logarithm of 3 squared of 2 cubed times 3 squared, okay? Now, moving on from here, you can say that this logarithm we are taking, let's say logarithm in the base of number carrying x. Number carrying x is 3, so we take logarithm in base 3 of both sides. From here, we now have logarithm in base 3 of 3 raised to power 3x. Means you can multiply this log with this number. So we can say that this is now 3x multiplied by the log of 3 to base 3 to be equal to, on this other side, we split up and put plus. So we have log in base 3 of 2 cubed plus log of 3 squared to base 3. Okay? Moving on from here, we can say that log of a to base a is equal to 1. Alright? Applying this log here, we have logarithm of 3 to base 3 and is equal to 1. 1 times 3x is 3x to be equal to 3 multiplied by logarithm of 2 to base 3 plus 2 multiplied by logarithm of 3 to base 3. Okay? Now from here we now have that this is equal to 3 times logarithm of 2 to base 3 plus 1 times 2 is 2, okay? Because we have logarithm of 3 to base 3 and is 1. Okay? Now we have 3x to be equal to this. Dividing each term by 3, we have this place divided by 3, this divided by 3, and this divided by 3. 3 stacks 3, 3 stacks 3, we're left with x to be equal to logarithm of 2 to base 3 plus 2 over 3. And this becomes the final answer to this question. Thanks for watching. If you made it to the end, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in my next video.